Hello and welcome to tip number 9 of the Generator Genius series. Today, we'll be talking about the importance of a procedure called fuel polishing. Fuel polishing is the process of removing water, sediment, non-combustible particulate matter, and microbial contamination from diesel fuel. Using fuel polishing and chemical additives restores the fuel to a stable condition. Did you know that the fuel in your generator's tank is susceptible to contamination? In fact, it's pretty common. With fluctuating temperatures and fuel sitting idle for long periods of time, oxidation occurs and bacteria or diesel bugs can grow on the walls and floor of the tank. Over time, it can become a thick black sludge that clogs filters, damages the engine, and may even stop the generator from starting up. There are a couple of simple ways to check the health of the fuel in your generator tank. One way is through a visual test. Look for any floating particles, clumps, or sludge. These particles can clog fuel filters, damage injectors, and in some cases cause the generator to not start up in an emergency. You can also look for water in your fuel. The water and fuel will separate, so you'll be able to see the different layers of separation. The second test method uses a catalyst. Remove 2 or 3 ounces of fuel and put a few drops of the catalyst into it. The catalyst will settle into the bottom, and if it turns dark after 15 minutes, it means the fuel is oxidized or unstable, which is how diesel sludge begins. We recommend diesel fuel polishing to fix problems like this. Here's how it works. The fuel is drawn into the polisher from the lowest point at the bottom of the tank. The fuel polisher removes water, sediment, non-combustible particulate matter, and microbial contamination, and then the fuel flows back into the tank. The process is repeated for several hours depending on the size of the tank. Fuel polishing and the addition of a chemical fuel stabilizer helps protect your generator from damage, maximizes the efficiency of the diesel fuel, and extends the shelf life of diesel fuel. You'll find more helpful generator tips on our website at gotpower.com. Just look under the Generator Genius section. Thank you for joining me today, and until we meet again, remember, at CD and Power, we're powering your success.